Hello guys, welcome back to this channel DGA Tech. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to mine free Dogecoin every single seconds using this site. I'm still going to show you how you can be able to mine 4,000 Dogecoin from this site. So watch this video to the very end so you don't miss any part of this video. Before we get started, I have some gifts for you. I'll be giving out 7 premium courses worth over 30,000 naira to my subscribers. If you're my subscriber or you've not subscribed yet, this is an opportunity for you to do that in order to qualify for this giveaway. To qualify for this giveaway, come down right here and you will see the red or white subscribe button. Click on it to subscribe. Click on the notification bell and select all in order to get notified by YouTube whenever I drop a new video in the future. Click on the like button and go to the comment section and type how to mine free Dogecoin, all tasks done. Once you do this, I'm going to know that yes, you've performed this task, then I'll send the 7 premium courses to you. The last thing to do is to share this video to your friends on all social media platforms in order to get them informed as well. So now let's get back to this video. I have placed the link to the website in the description of this video. Once you click on that link, it will bring you right here. So this is the interface of this website, MetaMask. MetaMask provides you the best way to earn money without any risk, fast and easy mining. So to start mining, you click on Start MetaMask Free. Once you click on it, you paste your Dogecoin address here. Once you paste it, you click on Start Mining. Alright, as you can see right here, when you sign up on this site, you'll be given 3 THS mining power to start mining Dogecoin for free on this site. As you can see right here, our Dogecoin is mining currently. So this is how you can be able to mine Dogecoin from this site for free without paying any dime. But for those of you that want to get more money from this site by mining very fast and high, you can invest in order to get it. First of all, I will show you the calculator to know the profit you're going to be having or getting when you invest. So for you to see the calculator, all you have to do is to log out from this site by clicking on this button right here. As you can see right now, we've logged out from this platform. Now scroll down to locate the calculator. Once you scroll down, you're going to see the calculator. This is the calculator right here. You can enter any amount of hash power you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy 100 hash power. That will cost you 100 Dogecoin, and your daily profit is 8 Dogecoin. In 3 days you'll be making 24 Dogecoin. In 8 days you get 64 Dogecoin. In 10 days you get 80 Dogecoin, and in 15 days you get 120 Dogecoin. So it's a 15 days plan, and this is the profit you're going to be making. This is the total amount you make for investing 100 Dogecoin. And let's say you want to invest 200 hash power. It's going to cost you 200 Dogecoin. In 1 day you get 16 Dogecoin. In 3 days you get 48 Dogecoin. In 8 days you get 120 Dogecoin. In 10 days you get 160 Dogecoin. And finally in 15 days you will get 240 Dogecoin. And let's say you want to invest 500 Dogecoin. You input it here. It's going to cost you 500 Dogecoin, and in 1 day you will get 40 Dogecoin. In 3 days 120 Dogecoin. In 8 days you get 320 Dogecoin. In 10 days you get 400 Dogecoin, and finally in 15 days you will get 600 Dogecoin. Alright, now let's say you want to invest 1000 hash power. It's going to cost you 1000 Dogecoin. In 1 day you're going to make 80 Dogecoin. In 3 days 240 Dogecoin. In 8 days 640 Dogecoin. In 10 days 800 Dogecoin. In 15 days 1200 Dogecoin. And let's say you want to invest 5000 hash power. It's going to cost you 5000 Dogecoin. In 1 day you're going to make 400 Dogecoin. In 3 days 1200 Dogecoin. In 8 days 3200 Dogecoin. In 10 days 4000 Dogecoin, and in 15 days you will make 6000 Dogecoin. And now let's say you want to invest 10,000 hash power. It's going to cost you 10,000 Dogecoin. In 1 day you will make 800 Dogecoin. In 3 days 2,400 Dogecoin. In 8 days 6,400 Dogecoin. In 10 days 8,000 Dogecoin. And in 15 days 12,000 Dogecoin. And now let's say you want to invest 20,000 hash power. It's going to cost you 20,000 Dogecoin, and in 1 day you will make 1,600 Dogecoin. In 3 days 4,800 Dogecoin. In 8 days 12,800 Dogecoin. In 10 days 16,000 Dogecoin, and finally in 15 days you're going to get 24,000 Dogecoin. This site does not have a maximum amount you can invest, so you can invest the amount you want to invest on this site. Now, to make deposit on this site, you have to log in back to the site. You click on this 3/ above here, then you click on login. Now you paste your Dogecoin address, then click on start mining. Alright, scroll down and click on deposit. The minimum you can deposit on this site is 20 Dogecoin. So input the amount of Dogecoin you want to invest. Remember, you have calculated your profit already, so you now know what you're going to be getting from the site. Click on it and insert the amount of hash power you want to purchase. Then you click on buy now. This is the address given to you to make the payment for your investment. Just copy out the address, then head on to your wallet and make the transfer. It's going to go through 3 confirmation by blockchain itself. It will take a minimum of 7 minutes for it to be confirmed and activated. Once that is done, it will reflect on your dashboard. So anytime you have a minimum of 10 Dogecoin in your account, you can withdraw it directly to your wallet. Another way to earn on this site is by inviting your friends to the site. And once you invite a friend, you'll be getting 7% of any amount they deposit on this site. The 7% will be added to your account. You can either withdraw it or allow it to accumulate with your Dogecoin in your account, then you withdraw when you want. So keep inviting and keep earning. This is the best Dogecoin mining site we have right now. Also invest what you can afford to lose, because I am not a financial advisor. This is just an update for you to make more money for yourself in this crypto space. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon in order to get notified by YouTube whenever I drop another update in this channel. And don't forget to claim your gift if you have performed the task. And for those that perform the task on my other video, you can go back there and claim your gift. I have sent it there already. See you all in our next video. Stay safe and God bless.